Hey guys, my name is Scoby and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to add custom emojis to your Discord server. This is going to be a nice, quick and easy tutorial. I'm going to be showing you step by step how to do everything. Let's jump right into this. So adding custom emojis to Discord is really easy. So what we're going to be doing is coming to any server you're an admin of, or if you own your own server, that's great. This will also work. What we're going to be doing is coming up to the server on the top left. You'll see the server name. We're going to be clicking this open and we're going to be clicking on the server settings right here. From this point, we're going to be coming to the left underneath the server name. You'll see the emoji option. If we click this open, we'll see a list here of all emojis added to our server. And we'll also have the option to upload new emojis right here. Now I will mention you are limited to 50 emojis by default on your Discord server. The emojis must be under 256 kilobytes in size. This is important. You cannot upload anything bigger than this. From this point, once you have your emojis, simply click upload emoji. In this case, I've downloaded this emoji just to show as an example, which is the hand wash emoji. Simply select the emoji you want. And then here you can give your emoji your name. In this case, I'm going to be naming it wash, and you can add any characters here you like as long as they're alphanumeric, and you can do underscores. So in this case, I'll do wash underscore as an example. Now, just like that, our emojis are added. You can see we have a slot down here for animated emojis, which we also have 50 of, although it's only available to use animated emojis if you're on Discord Nitro. Once you've added your emojis, we don't need to save anything. They'll be automatically added here. If you would like to remove emojis, you can simply hover over them and click the X to remove them right here. Once you're happy, we can click escape to get out of here. And then to add the emoji, we can simply give 2 colons. We can start typing the emoji's name after the colon, and you can see it will start to show up here. In this case, we can select it and we can send it, and then your emoji will work like this. Anyway, guys, it's as easy as that to add custom emojis to your Discord server. If you guys enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to drop a like. Subscribe if you're new, check out the other videos on the channel. I'm going to be leaving a link down below to my PayPal if you found these videos helpful and you want to support me. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, as always, keep it saucy. Peace.